three basic groups. The first group I'm going to talk about are known as rear fang snakes. This is a mangrove snake. It is a rear fang venomous snake. Now, rear fang snakes do not truly have the ability to inject their venom into their prey. Instead, they have enlarged teeth at the back of their mouths with channels and grooves in them. They have to bite their prey, chew it. Sorry, dude. Why don't you ride the hook, though? Why don't you stay right here? No. You're going to do it again, aren't you? Do it again. Oh, now you're
Oh. Oh God.
You dropped it. Now it's me.
Yes. Okay. What were we talking about? Rear fang. Yeah, rear fang. So, fangs in the back of their mouth. What they have to do, they want to get their venom into something, they have to bite it, chew it, and then just keep working it towards the rear of their mouth where those fangs are actually located. This can take a while sometimes. Why are you laughing? What are you doing, man? Now, because of their rear fangs, why are we laughing? You don't like snakes? I'm good.
Snake?
Let me tell you one thing. You're in the wrong place. There's a couple of worse things going on.
Sorry, there are a couple people between me and Snake.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm pretty good at throwing things. Okay, where? I got me started. Sorry. Yeah, okay, well, you guys can do stuff again, but I don't know where I stopped. Okay, fangs at the back of their mouth. They have a big groove in it. It's not a hollow tube. It's not like the vipers or the elapids. They bite something, they have to hold on to it. They have to work it towards the rear of their mouth where they can actually put their fangs into it, and then they just have to wait kind of a long time until their venom goes from their glands down through that big groove in their tooth and into their animal's wound. Pretty easy to imagine how this system evolved over time when you realize that even the deadliest forms of venom are just a modified form of saliva. Not only does this snake's saliva aid in killing its prey, it also aids in digesting it. So, we think early snakes developed channels and grooves in their teeth in order to more efficiently allow themselves to swim. Usually they go on like that, yeah. We think they developed those grooves in their teeth in order to more efficiently allow their saliva to get into their prey for more efficient digestion. Eventually, they developed all these toxins, proteins, enzymes, stuff in there that we now know as venom today. Now, because of rear fang snakes' pretty inefficient fangs, many rear fang snakes are actually pretty harmless to creatures the size of human beings. That doesn't mean I want to get bit by the snake. There are a couple exceptions to that little statement. There are two snakes, rear fang snakes, both of which I would never want to get bit by. Both of them are found in Africa. One of them is the African savanna vine snake, known by a couple other names too. That has one human fatality on record. The other is the boom slang. The boom slang is one of the single most toxic snakes on the planet. It's more venomous than all of the other snakes in Africa. That means it's more venomous than all of the mamba species, including the black mamba. You do not want to get bit by a boom slang. If you are bit by a boom slang, you are going to bleed out of every single orifice in your body for like 40 hours until, without any venom, you'll probably die. So, don't get bit by a boom slang. Luckily for me, this snake's nothing like a boom slang. However, as happens here at Reptile Gardens during a snake show, someone has been bit by a mangrove snake. They were injected with venom. They were doing what I was doing earlier, like this right now, it's called tailing, and they just let it get a little too close to their thumb. The snake bit their thumb and injected them with venom. Their whole hand swelled up, turned purple, and the bite wound hurt a lot. And after a week, I was fine. Yeah, Okay,
Was it actually you?
now even more efficient than the